Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this dark blue glitter smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off by taking the MORPHE 35B eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this shade here as my transition shade in the crease, and I'm really blending that right out to the end of my brow. Next, taking the dark, almost navy eyeshadow and adding that to deepen up the crease even more and add some definition. I'm then going back in with the first shade that we used, just to blend that out and make sure that there are no harsh lines between the shades. Then taking that navy shade again and applying that over the crease to gently build up colour by adding and blending. And if you've not guessed already, I'm taking that same transition shade back over the top again. Onto the next shade, I'm applying the black to the outer corner just to create some smokiness and that almost cat eye effect. And then taking the crease brush that we used to buff out the edges of the black. Next I'm applying the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm taking that just to carve out the eyelid shape where we're going to apply the glitter. I then took this shimmery blue shade from the Morphe 29A eyeshadow palette just as a base shadow for the glitter, so this is totally optional, but I like it so that no eyelid colour will shine through. After that, I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer and applying this with my finger just so it applies evenly and doesn't take off the shadow underneath. Then going in with the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the shade Violet, and it's just so gorgeous, this shade. It really picks up in the light like so amazingly, and this is also optional as well, adding the glitter, but I think it makes the look really stand out. Next, taking the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner and applying that across my lash line and then fading it out towards the outer corner. Then going back in with that black shadow we used just to buff out the edge of the liner. After that, I took a makeup wipe just to clean the edge of the eye and just sharpen it up a little bit, and also take away any of the glitter fallout. Next is lashes, and the ones I'm using today are from SOSU in the style London, and these are really great lashes for this look as they flare out just at the edges. Then taking the NYX Retractable liner in dark blue and applying that to the waterline. Then using the transition shade first on the bottom lash line, and then taking the black shadow and just blending that more towards that outer edge. After that, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara and applying that to the bottom lashes. Then I'm taking the Huda Beauty Pink Sands highlighting palette and I'm using that on the inner corner and brow bone. Then using these two shades to highlight the high points of the face. I absolutely love this product for creating that extra glowy look. It really stands out, but it melts into the skin, leaving it looking really natural. Next on to lip, lips, I'm using the Collection lip liner in the shade Cappuchino. Then applying my absolute fave lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's in the shade Pillow Talk. And on top, adding that little bit of extra gloss, using the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the shade Snobby. Then to finish everything all off, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Shake and Glow Setting Spray, and this is just going to make my makeup set and also stay in place all day. So you guys, this is a finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.